Hi guys, Sam. Today I'm going to talk about general night vision maintenance. I get a lot of questions on what I should do, what should I not do. So the biggest thing when it comes to night vision, take your freaking batteries out when you're done using them. Okay, you're gonna avoid about probably 50% of the issues that can creep in when it comes to night vision. Just take your batteries out. Additionally, please use lithium batteries, or lithium batteries are highly advisable. They don't have near the issues that alkaline batteries have. So if you're running a PVS 14, suck it up, go to Walmart, buy a dozen lithium batteries. You got enough battery life there to last you, well over a year, probably more like 2 or 3 years if you really use your stuff. Remember, lithium's going to give you almost 50 hours of battery life, so that's a long time. And then go buy 2 boxes of CR123 batteries. Don't skimp on them. Don't use rechargeables. Get good quality batteries. You put good stuff in, it's going to give you obviously good results. So why risk your multi-$1,000 piece of gear on a 84-cent battery? Anyway. Following that, before you use it, inspect it for general wear and tear and proper function. Make sure, none of your rings are cracked. Make sure everything focuses correctly. Make sure all your knobs and switches are functional. If after use, also inspect that stuff. If you are in certain environments, there's some additional steps you need to take. If you live in and around salt water and immerse your gear in salt water, remember this stuff is waterproof. Dunk it in some fresh water and get the salt spray off of it. It'll pay dividends down the line. You can always hit it with some compressed air to blow off any excess water or dust or sand and stuff like that. You can also buy these TNVC cleaning kits with the cat crap and the cleaning cloth. This cat crap stuff is not only an anti-fog agent, it is also a lens cleaner. So periodically, I usually try to do it once a month or so. I will cat crap my lenses. Yes, this stuff is called cat crap. It is a green paste. It works really well. There are other anti-fog cleaning agents out there as well. Feel free to use those. Do not, basically treat your lenses as if they were a very expensive scope. So don't use any caustic solvents or anything like that will erode or eat away on the coatings of the lenses. Other than that, that's really all you got to do. There's not a whole lot of upkeep with these things. These things are designed to be given to an 18-year-old kid and jumped out of an airplane into a war zone. So there's not a whole lot you got to do to them. But that is basically general maintenance and care for a night vision system. Just remember, folks, take your freaking batteries out.